Good evening, or good morning, or good afternoon, whatever time you find yourself watching this channel. Now, this is a little present. I'm going to wait to release this video after Christmas. This is a Christmas present for my daughter, who is not even a teenager yet, but she has gotten into Nightmare Before Christmas, Hello Kitty things. I saw this knife, got it for dirt cheap, and I was like, ooh, she will like this. Now, I don't know who made this knife, P82B. There's a bunch of companies that make novelty knives in China, and this is obviously one of them. It's got aluminum scales, hollow back, liner lock, feels, and it's spring assisted, tiny top flipper, non-reversible pocket clip. Jack Skellington from Nightmare Before Christmas. Got Mr. Oogie Boogie, Jack Skellington. So just kind of a cool looking knife. My daughter, I got her some Hello Kitty knives. And one thing I'll say, she left one of her Hello Kitty knives outside. And it was just like so. This totally stripped off. So you had this one side, the side that was exposed to the elements, all stripped off, and the backside stayed the same. So if you get novelty knives like this is a novelty knife. You could find something like this in a gas station, I'm sure. But for an 11-year-old, this is cool. I'd rather her start with smaller knives that I don't have to worry about, oh, is she gonna lose it or break it or whatever. So something like this for a kiddo is okay. Now, it's my daughter, so I can get her these novelty things. I confess, if it was a boy, I would be getting him like a Bear and Sons or a Rough Rider, a very traditional pocket knife. Just because I'm old-fashioned that way, you know. Maybe if my daughter blesses me with a grandson, I will gift my knife collection. So with that being said, I guess I got rid of the knife, so we'll stop it there. If you're interested in maybe finding one, you can maybe look this up, PF82B, Jack Skellington made in China knife. Don't know the company that makes it. If I find it before I post this video, I'll put it in the description and let me know what you think. Until next time, please like and subscribe to the channel, and feel free to comment. Happy to hear your thoughts. What do you think about knives for kids? I've gotten mixed reviews. The women always say, no, she's too young, can't believe it. And the men are like, that's awesome. So just something to consider, and food for thought and food for discussion. So, but until next time, remember, life is hard. Don't complain. You guys take care.